Exponents and forwards problems. The value of 2 power 2001 plus 2 power 1999 by 2 power 2000 minus 2 power 1998 is. So how you will calculate this problem? I will explain. So here problem is this one. So we have to 2 power 1999 common. So here 2 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, because a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 1999 plus 2, 2001. 1999 plus 0, 2 power 0 means 1. So I wrote here 1. 2 power, here also we have to common 2 power 1998. So here 2 square minus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 4 minus 1 3. So here 2 power 1999 minus 1999 we will get 2. 2 into 5 by 3. So answer is 10 by 3 is answer. This one is answer. Next problem, when simplified x inverse plus y inverse whole inverse is equal to, x inverse means we have to write 1 by x, because a inverse means 1 by a. So similarly y inverse 1 by y whole inverse. So here butterfly method, xy y plus x whole inverse. So xy by y plus x, because here inverse means we have to numerator and denominator change it. So this answer is xy by x plus y. The value of 9 by 4 whole power x into 8 by 27 whole power x minus 1 at x equal 4. X equal 4 means 9 by 4 whole power 4 into 8 by 27 4 minus 1 means 8 by 27 whole power 3. Here we have to write 9 3 square and 4 2 square. So whole power 4. Here 8 2 cube, 27 3 cube, whole power whole cube. So here a power m into n formula, a power mn. So 3 power 8 by 2 power 8 into 2 power 9 by 3 power 9. So we will cancel. We got answer 2 here. 3 power 8, 3 power 9. So 3. So answer is, this answer is 2 by 3.